No idea what to do after clearing Imucet with a decent rank? Don't worry, I'm here to help you out again. Hey guys, I'm Agneva Maiti, back with another video. Today I'll be talking about a very common topic, that is what one should do after he or she has cleared Imucet with a decent and a good rank. So I'll take two situations or conditions here. The first one being if the candidate is not sponsored. So first of all, if you're not sponsored, don't be demoralized or demotivated. You'll have ton of opportunities up ahead. Take it on a positive note that you have scored a good and decent Imucet rank and start preparing for the next batch, whether it be Feb batch or August batch. Or there is still a slight possibility like companies like Fleet Management will come for the round 2 as well. So be prepared for that as well and get sponsored if possible. Okay, if I now talk about the second situation, that is if the candidate is sponsored from a good company and also has attained a good Imucet rank. So in that case, firstly I would like to congratulate him or her on clearing Imucet as well as sponsorship from a good company. And what I would recommend is start with your admission procedure and documentation. By now you might have already known what college you are going for. Like the company might have sent you in its own college or a tie-up college. So like know what college you are going for and start with the admission and documentation procedure. And if in case you require a loan, start visiting the bank and know what all documents you require for the education loan as well. And on that note, I would like to add one more point, which is start talking to the seniors or the alumni of the college you're about to join. That will be it from my side. Hope you find this video helpful, and if you all have any suggestions, do let me know in the comment section below. And also people who are preparing for Merchant Navy and have various doubts regarding sponsorships, Imucet, there's a link to a form below. Fill it, it's free of cost, call assistance from our budding mariners team. So do fill it and have a great day ahead. Thank you. Bye bye.